Polygon Matic holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video I'm talking about Polygon Matic price update. What's the price changes occur in the Polygon? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, guys, please make sure to subscribe AB's Tech channel for more news and update videos, guys. So let's start the video, guys. And if you talk about the right now price of Polygon, 1.3 USD dollar, that is right now price of Polygon Matic. And guys, furthermore, if you talk about the changes update of Polygon, so now you can see a positive 3.87% changes occur in the Polygon. And I'm sorry, unfortunately the yesterday changes of Polygon is going negative, but don't worry, guys, very soon these changes will become positive, guys, because in the last hour, in the last 60 minutes, Polygon start pumping, guys. So that's why I believe you can see, guys, from this price chart now everything is clear, guys. Now already Polygon is in the pumping mode, guys, and they will continue this pump for a long time. I'm sure they continue this pump for even upcoming 1 week, guys. So guys, now Polygon is going positive in the market, so I recommend for all of you in right now situation to hold, because guys, for instance, if you decide to sell in right now situation, so you lose your money invest. But other side, if you decide to hold for 1 week, for 1 month, so possibility that the price will highly pump and you will get a huge profit, guys. That is right now, that is the today update of Polygon. Hope you like, subscribe for more update videos.